Hi everybody, it's Christina from Christina's Crafts. I normally do Dollar Tree videos, but I just recently started shopping at St. Vinny's trying to find stuff that I could refurbish. And I found this napkin holder, which I thought was super cute, and I got it for, I think it was just a little over $1, maybe $1.50 at the most. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paint this black with this Waverly chalk ink paint, and then the flowers, I have this Merlot color with the Waverly chalk, and I am gonna paint those flowers. And what I want to do first is they have this little wicker, or I think it's wicker on here, and it's all broken apart, so I'm actually gonna take all of this off of here. And then my plan is to take some jute and wrap it around the bottom. Okay, so what I did was I got this side off. I just basically took my scissors and I kind of cut it, and then I'm just kind of breaking these pieces off of here. It's like some of them I can't believe that they just fell right off, and then some of these are so tight on here it's kind of hard to get off. But I'm just going to keep snipping them like this and then yanking them off. Okay, I have both sides off. Now I just have to get the bottom off. I did notice with this wicker on here on the bottom, it didn't really sit very straight, so I don't think I'm going to put anything on the bottom here. So I am just going to get the rest of these snipped off of the bottom. Alright, I have all of that wicker off of here. And the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my ink Waverly chalk paint, and I am just going to paint this right over what's already on there. I don't know how well you can see that in the video, but I mean it already looks way nicer than what it looked like before. So I'm just going to go ahead and paint all this, including the flowers. I might have to get a smaller brush. I'm going to paint this all with the black chalk paint. Alright, so I have the first side painted here, and this is the back side, if you can see. It's just, you know, I almost would have left it, but it's just there's a lot of paint rubbed off of here. So that's what this side looks like, and now I'm going to paint the back side, and I use this little smaller brush here to get the leaves. Alright, I have it all painted black. I think it's looking way better. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Merlot chalk paint, and I'm going to paint the flowers, but I'm going to need a tiny brush to do that. So, I'm just going to take some of this, and I'm going to freshen these flowers up. I'm just going to leave them. Yeah, I think I'm just going to paint them. It's just kind of brightening it up a little bit. I mean, these flowers aren't the best on here. They've probably seen better days, but I honestly think it's gonna look really cute when I get it done. So that is the color that I am putting on there, and I'm gonna go ahead and paint those flowers. I only have one more flower to paint, but I just wanted you to see the color difference in there and how much nicer that looks. Alright, so I am ready to put my hemp on here, and I'm thinking I need to figure out first, because I'm going to have to wind this in here, so I'm going to have to figure out how many layers I want going up. 6. I'm going to say maybe about 8. So I'm just going to measure a little bit extra. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'm going to do just one more just in case, because I'm winding it in and out, so I don't know exactly where I'm going to end up. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start, I'm thinking it's probably going to go up about here, so I'm just going to kind of wrap this around. And then this is going to go in and out. There we go. I'm just going to clamp this on here for right now. And then I am just gonna have to wind this whole thing through here. Because the idea is I'm actually just gonna go up over this end, and then I'll probably hot glue it more towards the end. All right, so I have it on there, but I'm thinking I want a little bit more. So I'm gonna see if I can glue these ends on here and then grab some more of the jute and go ahead and put more on there. Okay, so I actually pulled the old stuff off and I doubled the length of what I was putting on there, and I think that is a good size right there. So I hot glued it on there. Now I'm just gonna have to hot glue it on the back here to get it to stay. So I'm just gonna stick that right around here. And the hot glue should hold that pretty good. And then I am just gonna snip the end off. All right, and then I am almost done. I just gotta do the other side yet, but I think it's looking pretty cute. So I am gonna go ahead and get the other side done. And what I did to start the last side is I just went up a little bit right here with the hemp rope and glued it on there, and then I just started right here, and I just started right here, and then I just started stringing it back and forth through there. All right, I have both sides done. I think this looks I think it turned out pretty good. So I guess, you know, if I were you, not only just do Dollar Tree stuff, but maybe take a stop at your Goodwill or St. Benny's and see what they have that you can refurbish. You know, less stuff that ends up in the landfill. So there you go. This is my napkin holder that's going on my dining room table. Thanks for watching. I hope you love this tutorial. I hope it inspires you. And don't forget to subscribe and take care. Thanks. Bye.